right, well, welcome back. Today we got a little update on the yard. Got a lot of sunshine that popped the last 2 days, and we got some good water that happened as well. So I'm gonna just do a little walk and talk, get you updated on the lawn. But first, let's flip it around here. This is the neighbor's domination stripe. This little area right here is looking good. That's some TIF 19. Bermuda that was laid several years ago. It was sod that was laid, and this was just the regular Bermuda that they laid with the house, and it's looking pretty good as well. It's kind of amazing when you start to kind of know your lawn and the different areas and the different things that have happened and how you can kind of see things change. So here's the front parking. Got the nice edges going. Green up's pretty good. Oh, another one of them darn weeds. I read these were wild carrots. It's probably the one I didn't pull last time. Anyway, so that looks pretty darn good. And then we're cutting at about 5/8 out here, which is the lowest I've ever cut the front. And we trimmed that tree back, and so I think this will fill in a lot better this year. That was all sod that was out in that area right there, and so I let it grow pretty tall. I think I had it probably 2.5 inches, maybe closer to 3 inches last year, and so it's gonna be happy to be shorter because it's TIF 19 as well. So is this front area right up here. It is all TIF. Got some mulching done today. Got to take advantage of Home Depot when they got it on sale cheap. I got that one done as well. Another quick look at it from this angle. I know the sun is tough right now. It's kind of getting ready to go down. So I'm pretty happy with how that's progressing. I think it's greened up a little bit better than the front, although, like I said, it's a little thicker back here, so those bare spots out front probably allow it to get a little bit warmer, a little bit faster, and it's gonna green up a little bit quicker. There's a little update on the garden. I got some composting right now, and looking pretty good. First time ever doing this, and all I can say is grow, damn it. So again, I'm cutting at about 5/8, and this cut I didn't take a whole lot off, but I definitely have a lot more green up back here, which is good. It's kind of been slow. I've got some spots over here that are really nice and green, but then you can kind of see that a lot of the lawn is actually still kind of got a little bit of a brown hue to it. There's the rain we got the other day. A little over an inch, about 1.25 inches when all said and done. So that definitely kind of helped, make this a little bit better. So been really watching for the Bermuda mites. This part of the lawn was where I had them really bad last year, and I don't know, I kind of feel like I don't know what's going on with it. It looks okay, but then they're kind of sitting up funny. So I might just put some preventative down just to be on the safe side. But all in all, it looks good. A little bit later of a green up this year for sure compared to years past. But green nonetheless. So we're pretty excited about the next couple weeks while everything really kind of takes off. I haven't fertilized. I fertilized about 3 weeks ago, so I'll probably be putting fertilizer down. I might go with like an 1801 Green Punch liquid back here, and then do that flagship 2404. Again, I put down a light application of it about 3 weeks ago, so I kind of want to alternate with a little bit of the, hey Russell John, how are you, old man? It's a 17-year-old Jack Russell. He's an old boy. Anyway, so I'll probably be working on doing a little bit of fertilizing. I did get some spectricide or whatever it's called. It's like an all-in-one ant, grub, flea, tick killer, and so I got that down last week right before the rain hit. I got fire ant stuff down, so pretty good on the bugs. Here's a quick look at the inside here of the pool. It's a little bit dark out, so it looks a lot greener in here. It's definitely greener, more comparable to like the front area versus the backyard. And again, I'm cutting it, same here, 5/8 of an inch. So just a little above half inch, and I'm not going to go any lower for sure this year. I got sprinkler heads that I just really worry about damaging, and I still need to do a lot of work out in the main yard. So I did some mowing. I captured that, so I'll post that up here. I didn't do any weed eating, but I did do some edging and some blowing, so I'll put those up. Nothing major right now as far as what we're doing to the lawn other than mow. I'm going to keep mowing as often as I can. It's been about every 7 days because it just hasn't grown. We're getting down into the 40s at night, so it's just a slow growing, but that's okay. I know I'm going to be mowing a lot once these temperatures warm up a little bit. So I hope you're having a great weekend. I hope you're going to have a great week ahead of you, and we'll see you in the lawn.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.